Some unexpected damage. Yo, what's up guys? This is Levi from Has It Rebuilds here, coming in with another video. Today we're going to take apart the rear of the Mustang. By rear I mean the rear interior. We're going to take it apart to get ready to take out the rear windshield and get ready to pull the frame. So let's get to it. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to take apart all this lining around here. We're going to take that all out, and so we could get it ready to pull this part out. I got a new piece coming in. What we're basically going to do is we're going to pull this part as much as we can to original shape, and then we're going to salvage this quarter panel. So we're going to pull this out, but once we get this piece to the right location, we're going to take it out and replace it with the new one. So we got some parts coming in already. Just got the trunk yesterday. We got this quarter panel. Kind of sucks that it's blue. I thought they had a black one, but I guess not. But we got that. We got some parts in the garage. Welcome to the Slavic household, you know, where we got a bunch of stuff in the backyard, tomatoes and stuff. And also, so yeah, we're gonna take out the interior liner from the trunk, and also all this lining over here all around. Probably gonna have to take out the headliner as well, because I'm gonna have to cut the quarter panel around there, so like halfway around that quarter panel glass. So we'll see. I'm gonna actually have to take out that piece. Basically the whole rear end of the interior is gonna have to come out. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so let's get to it. First things first, let's remove all this freaking junk plastic out of here. All right, so as we can see here, we got a few clips along the edges and stuff, and then we got clips there, and it looks like it wraps around behind the ceiling. I mean behind the, what's it called, rear back seats. So we gotta unfold the back seats. All right, so from what we can see here, in order to take out all these liners for the trunk, we have to take out these plastic panels for the rear quarter panels. So let's try and figure out how to take them out. The thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these rear seats. I'm gonna check out, there should be a lever here. There you go. Another lever here. Where's that sucker at? There it is. Oh, this one's broken. That's not fun. There you go. Now we can take out this rear seat. Just get it out the way. See what we're dealing with. Slap it right here for now. All right, so now that we got that out the way, plus out this paper clip, staple. Put down these seats one more time. Now let's try to take out this panel right here. So first thing I think we're gonna try to do is take out the top B pillar panel. So let's try and work it out. It's probably just a few clips, so I'm gonna yank it a little bit. There you go. Another clip in the rear. There you go. There does appear to be a sort of wire stuck to it. Not a wire, like a plastic clip. So we got that out. Nice. Now let's do the other side. All right, now onto this side. Do the same thing. Just think it a little bit, not too hard, so we don't rip anything. But also use a little bit of force so we can get it out, you know. The good thing about these is it's not a German car, so it's super easy to take out these clips. Like, not even funny how easy it is. All right, now we got this out the way. Stick it in the front. All right, so now that we got that panel out the way, shove the keys down there so we don't trigger no buttons. And now let's try to take out this panel right here. Same thing, probably just a bunch of clips, so just like pull around the edges. Usually it's where they would start, and then they go towards the middle and stuff. They don't look at no manuals, but it should be easy. Once you know one car, you know them all. See, like this clip already came off super easy. Nice. Might as well just do it to this side. Just see, this is a demonstration of how easy it is to take out a freaking panel off an American car. Boom, done. Wow. No sweat. The only sweat I'm doing is the sweating from this freaking heat, man. It's 90 degrees right now. So we just work our way around, feel where all the clips are. Usually it's around the edges. Lost my flip-flop. All right, so it looks like this panel is under this one. So let's take care of that real quick. Pull this panel out. Like so. Wow. The amount of force I have to put is nothing. It's like literally a toddler could pull this out. Not even joking. I'm doing this one-handed too. So that's an example. These are the clips. All right, sorry about that. My phone shut off because it was getting too hot out here. So now we're back into it. Got a different shirt, more breathable. But let's pull this panel out. Let's get to it. So it looks like there's a clip over here. Just push that one out. All right, wiggle it a little bit. I think this panel's ready to go. So let's try to get it out. All right, now let's get onto the other side. Do the same thing, take out the panel. So we're gonna do the same thing like we did to the other side, where we just start from the top and work our way to the bottom. All right, now that we got that out the way, let's try and take out this piece right here. Looks like it's just a few clips here, And that's all I can see for now. Let's check under. Can't really see nothing. Okay. So yeah, let's try to take out those two clips right there and see what happens. So here we go. All right, so this part over here, this trunk liner, it's stuck because of these two metals sticking between each other. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab one of those hydraulic pulleys and I'm gonna try to push out this panel to hopefully take out this trunk liner, and then eventually get to straightening out this piece right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out the name for this. I forgot what it's called. I thought it was like the rear trunk body panel cross member or something, but I guess not. So let's get started. All right, so before we take out all this paneling and getting ready to pull this body piece out, we're gonna have to take out this rear impact bar. All right, so now we got the hydraulic pump in. We're gonna try to pump out that rear piece. Alright guys, so with the help of my dad over here, the professional framer, we managed to pull out some of the trunk. It's looking pretty good, better than what it was before. Managed, like before we pushed it out, it was like till about here, so we moved it good like 4 inches, 5 inches. And we found some unexpected damage. Looks like the frame is a little bit affected. It is dented right here, kinked a little bit. Kinked under, as you can see here. But it's not too much damage. We got the frame post. We're gonna move the car, or we're gonna try to drill some screws into some metal brackets and try to push it with this hydraulic pulley again. But we'll find out. So this wraps it up for this video. Got a lot of it pulled out. A lot of the rear end went back into place. Some of it pulled out too much, but it's starting to look good. Starting to look more like a car. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram for more updates, and as always guys, keep it easy.